I'm going to be using my custom foundation from DCYPHER for a New Year's Eve look to go from this to this. For my New Year's Eve look, I want something really easy and quick to do, but still effective and still gives me that really dewy, beautiful glow. DCYPHER uses AI technology to create a unique foundation recipe which is mixed to your exact skin tone. So you don't need to mix and match different foundations to get your perfect skin tone. So it makes my going out routine super easy. I love how easily it blends into the skin, and it does such a great job of hiding any pigmentation that I have as well without having to cake on too much of the product. I'm also going to use the concealer just under my eyes to give a brightening effect. And that is my base all done. As you can see, it still looks like me, and it's got this really fresh, beautiful dewy glow that I love as a base, and is perfect for New Year's Eve. And this is my finished look. I added a lip, but I kept the lip neutral, and then I went a little bit more shimmery and sparkly on the eyes because it's New Year's Eve. And this is it. I'm so happy with how my skin looks. I'm honestly blown away by the AI technology that DCYPHER use to create this perfect base for me. It is literally mixed to perfection, and I'm just obsessed with how good my skin looks, but I still look like me, but just better. Also, it took me like 10 minutes to do this makeup look because I didn't have to spend time blending and mixing different foundations to get the perfect base. And you can create your own custom foundation on decipher.me.